So since I love vlogging and talking about my life, what more would be better than for me to actually have a store on Walmart, right? Like that one? Should we get that for decoration?
Yes.
That one?
Yes. It's so cute.
So pumpkins. So this is what I mean when y'all ask me about my skin being proactive when it comes to breakouts. Where is it at? Here we go. Wait, is that the one? No, this is out the one, R1. Yep, it's right here. It's normally the Persil gel. I'll post that link on my store. You guys can't always do the online order because I know that's what I do, but it's the Persil gel. It's the one for $5.97. I use that all the time, every day, as a proactive treatment, and that's how my skin stays clear. KJ, can you not mess with that? This is the one I've literally been using on my face every single day like clockwork, especially while I'm out walking. It just, again, protects you from the sun, but it just gives your face this nice dewy look. And I posted a video about that, but people keep asking me what I use. This right here, this is a daily routine of mine. Coming into Walmart now with her, it has become like the Toys R Us because there's no Toys R Us. And so I take her here so she can literally look at the toys she wants and pick them out like we used to do at Toys R Us. And that's what I love about Walmart. Definitely huge, mega huge toy selection. KJ, you found something you like? Look, she even found more Legos. She is obsessed with Legos. She even like them people, I don't think. Does she watch them? That's not Peppa Pig. Pig, what would your pots be in your house?
My pots would be this pink diamonds. Everything is pink. So cute.
No, my box is one.
This is hard. So go ahead and make sure you check out my store and my link. Y'all know I post all my favorite things, and y'all know most of the times I order everything. Like I get everything ordered, delivered, and shipped, and that's another plus that I love about Walmart. So check out my link, check out my favorite products, and stay tuned for more.